Hi everyone, Alex here. Just want to drop a quick note about storm damage and the August 5th, 2019 storm that went through. Our 1 year anniversary is coming up. For those of you that were affected, and even for those of you that were not affected, a little bit of knowledge is that you have 1 year from the date of loss to turn in the claim and to file all your paperwork and take care of the damage. If you're not going to be able to make that August 5th deadline, which is extremely possible given the amount of damage that there was and with everything else that's been going on in the world, please let us know so that we can file an extension for you. American Family has been telling us that if people need extensions, please let us know where the contractor's out, how far things and how long it's taken to get stuff done. And they'll be happy to work with the contractors to get everything taken care of. But just in case, I want to let everybody know, I want to send out a quick note. If you need it, please contact us, let us know, and we'll talk to claims and get an extension filed for you. Other than that, I hope everybody's doing well, and I will catch up with y'all later. See ya. Bye.